Hello everyone, Sean Smithson with Smithson Creations. So, beginning of this video, I wanted to announce that I am doing a giveaway. I'm not sure how many parts are on this video yet, but there's going to be a giveaway on each part. So, gonna either you have a choice of getting a 50 pack of the or the sampler pack that they Clean Spore Abrasives has, and that is woodworkingshop.com. Be sure to check that out if you don't want to wait. And I personally am switching to the Clean Spore Sandpaper. I think it's a lot better. It lasts longer, and it's just with the hole patterns that are on it versus the Diablo that I was using. As you can see, if you have an 8-hole pattern, you get all 8 holes are clear, so your dust collection will be a lot better. So you'll either have a choice of this, or they have a 10-pound box of sandpaper, which are like cutoffs or end of rolls. So, and that's like $100 value. So that's quite a bit of sandpaper, and you can use that for, you can cut your own shapes out, whatever you need. So all you have to do to enter: subscribe, comment, tell me what you like, dislike, constructive criticism. But I'd rather not have one-word comments like "let me win" or "hi" or "me." Make it a good comment. I would appreciate that. And then be sure to go to Smithson Creations Handcrafted Woodworking on Facebook and like that page. So if you're a winner, then I have an easier way to contact you as well. So, and then we can get you your prize. So, or your prize. So that's all I ask is just subscribe and comment. So, and then be sure to check out the page if you want. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And what else is there? I think that's it. So enjoy the video, and this is what I'm making. Alright, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is glue and then pin nail, put 4 or 5 pin nails on each side. And I'm going to use this wood that was cut off of this piece. And I'm going to slide these into the dados that were already cut, and that's going to actually help keep the box square as I glue it and pin nail it. So I mean, it's still going to move a little bit, but be able to use my squares and make sure when I pin nail it that everything's good. Alright, then I'll continue to do that on the other side, and then we will be good. So I cut the shelves here, and these will just slide right in. Alright, and then I left them so they sit in just a little bit because of the door. Just a little extra space. I'll probably just pin nail, really don't need to glue them because they're not going anywhere. I may put in some dividers, I don't know yet. I gotta decide if I want to do that. But it's just sandpaper that's going to be on it, so really don't need to. So, here we go. So, I'll move on. Alright, so now I've cut all the dowels that I need, but I need to flatten each edge on it, and then I'll round one edge for the parts inside the cabinet. The back, I can just sand those when I glue them in, put them in. But wanted to show you guys something. Now, I love this oscillating spindle sander, it's great, but when you have it in the back position, you can see that this, no matter how tight you tighten that, it still moves forward and back. And the belt's going this way, so it's going to push it back, which is going to cause your workpiece to not be straight when you're sanding. And when you slide it forward, and then also back too, if you push it forward, it'll hit the belt as well. Now, if you push it forward all the way, bring it forward, it doesn't move as much, but instead of using this, I take it off and then just put it aside. I put the knob back in so I don't lose it. And if you have the R4512 table saw, it comes with one of these miter gauges, because the track here is not a T-track, and it has this bit that goes into the T-track, and obviously it's not going to fit in. So all you have to do is just take these two screws off, and they come off really quick. And once you take those off, that'll fit right there in your slot, and you can use that and bring it up closer so it's in the middle up against that plate, and then you can get your pieces straight and sanded straight. Just a little, or you can even make one. So if you don't have a saw, just make something that'll fit in that track and it's square. So just a little tip for y'all. If you're having problems with sanding and you're getting stuff that's a little bit crooked. So I'm gonna continue sanding these and get them done, and then I'm gonna start marking the cabinet where I've got to drill the holes. Okay, everyone, as you can tell, I've got the back of the cabinet completely done. Drilled all the holes, as you saw previously. Drilled all the way through. Pushed the dowels 3/4 of an inch out on the back, and then I used CA glue or super glue, and then I used an activator, or hammered them back forward so they were flush with the back, and then sprayed activator on it so it would dry instantly, and it worked out really well. So I was happy with that. Thank you for listening to me ramble. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in the next clip because I need to get busy and get back to making the doors. So, oh, and I'm going to use piano hinges.